down here on the Brazos River behind the dam, doing one of my favorite things to do in the hot part of the summer when it's clear skies like this. We've got a little bit of wind today, but we're going to try to catch some carp and buffalo on the fly. Got a 5-weight Able TR 5-weight moonshine rod, using these little bitty carp flies that look kind of like these crabs. Look kind of like these crabs and crawdads and stuff they're eating down here. But I got a head cam today, so maybe we will see some of these. I don't know. The wind is, I can see them. It's going to be hard for y'all to see them. We'll give it a try. Helen right there, he's eating too. Oh, damn it. Oh, I had one. God dang it. I just had one again. My strip set game is off. There's a big one right over there. Picked one up. Oh yeah. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Pulled it out of him. Well, darn it. I'm 0 for 3 now. Well, sheesh. Oh, there we go. 0 for 4. I love this shit. I could sit out here all day and do this. Oh, God, Bill. Five to nothing. There's one. He had it in his mouth the whole time. Picked it up. Got one. Finally. Jeez. Well, how well he's hooked. That was cool. It's a buck too. Ooh. Let's see what we can do here. Oh. Oh, I got him. Landed. Ones like this is perfect. Good stuff. Let's turn him loose. Get out of here, dude. There he goes. He gone. Nice. Doing a little sight fishing for these things today with the 5-weight here. Always a good time. Little Able. Let's see if we can get another. That was the 6/7 one I've hooked, and I finally got one in, so pretty tough. Oh, less wind, you can see the fish now, guys. See them right there? Oh, scared them. They were feeding too. Whole big wad of cruisers right there, guys, where my rod tip is pointed. You'll see them come across this rock. Those fish are not actively feeding. They, not even worth throwing them at. And it's getting that time of the day where they're just not super interested. There's one. See if we can put a fly over by him. I think he's feeding. Oh, right in front of him. You can see him now. Oh, he's looking at it. He is looking at it. Let's see what he'll do. No, maybe not. Oh. Right there, guys. He's right on the end of my line. Come on. Come on, dude. He's tailing. Come on. Oh. I picked it up for a second. Oh. That didn't scare him. Maybe he'll pick this one up. Nope. Right on it, guys. Come on, baby. Oh. Right in front of his face. Come on. Come on, dude. Oh, I thought he picked it up. Whew. This is a finesse game for sure. There's a car. Oh! Ah! Oh, you things, man. Jeez. Oh, they're frustrating, man. Frustrating, to say the least. Got one. That was cool. Sick heat. This is a freshwater drum. Awesome. I saw him earlier, I think, or one like him. They're so dark in this water. Pick that little craw pattern up.
Love fly fishing, man. See if we can get him in here. He's fighting. Oh. Come on. Stay buttoned. Sight fishing these things is so fun. Come here, dude. Put too much on him, break off. Alright. Awesome fish, man, on a fly. These are related to drum and saltwater, and I love those. So sight fishing them with a fly, really cool. Let's get him back in there. There he goes. He's out of here. Still going. Cool stuff. Love sight fishing. Kind of trying to get prepared for this fall and winter when I go after those bull reds in Louisiana. What better way to do it than out here? You see the dam in the background there. Fun morning. Let's see if we can get another one. Freshwater drum. See the hell there. There's a bunch of cruisers. It's a big carp. Wind pick back up. Sight fish that one. That was cool. Oh God, that's a big one, guys. Ooh. Wear him down. Whew. Oh. This place has some big bass in it, too. Keep working at this dude. He's running for these rocks. Come on, stay out of there. Stay out of there. Ugh. God. Keep him out of there. Oh, he's trying to dig out of there. Come on. What the heck? There he is. Oh God, that's a big one, guys. That is a toad. You are not gonna do it, buddy. Carp fishing. He picked up this little fly. Oh God, toad. Whew. Look at that bass, guys. Good night. Whew. Nice fish. Wow. That was worth it. Cool. Big fish right there. Maybe he'll eat. Oh, behind him. Oh, he turned on it. Got another one. Whew. Big buff. See if we can hang on to him. Took a while. Oh! Found one that wanted to pick it up. Come here, dude. Sight fishing in this clear, pretty water. Amazing, guys. See if we can keep this one stuck. Oh! Man, that's a good one. That is a good one. Oh yeah, right in the old rubber lip there. Hang on, dude. I'm gonna let you go. Love catching these on a fly rod, guys. Always a good time. Back and blasted that thing. Oh, we got a good one. Oh, blasted that thing. Whew. Oh, this is a carp. This is what we've been waiting on, guys. Whew. I wish I'd had my hindsight going for that one, because he just blasted that thing. Oh, this is gonna be a fight. And keep this paid off. That's what you come for right there. That's what you keep casting for. I mean, just blasted. Ate it right in front of me too. Oh. You just can't stop them when they start going, guys. Oh. Let's see if I can keep this one buttoned up. Whew. All right, get the net. Got it. He is not ready yet. Golly. God, these carp fight. Oh! Oh! Nice one. Whew. Just came by and blasted that little fly. It's got a little black head, black tail, or it's got a little chartreuse head and a black tail. And you can see that real good in that clear water, and just came by and blasted it right in front of me. Man, good carp. Let's turn this dude loose. Hang on, dude. Pretty cool. Carp are slow today. We're trying some other stuff. Sweet carp fishing. Got this little bass. Oh man, that's a pretty spot. Look at that, guys. Look at the colors on that one. Oof. Gorgeous. Carp flies not only work for carp, they also work for bass when you see them. Another beautiful little spotted bass, guys. Look at the colors on that dude. Wow. Alright. There's a monster over here, guys. That is a pretty nice spot right there. You never know what you're going to get when you're carp fishing. I don't know what we got here. I think it's a drum. No? Look at that. Another species knocked off the board on this trip. A striper. Or a hybrid. That's a nice fish, guys. Woo, pretty. Love it. Alright, get out of here, dude. There he goes. Got him. Buff. Pretty nice one. I don't know how well he's hooked. Oof. This is so much fun, guys. On a 5-weight. Alright, he's going out deep. Let's see if we can get him in here. Pretty nice one. They're hard to turn, man. Just trying to roll up in that line. Oh. I've only got 12 pound fluoro on this thing and he's rolled up in it. So let's try to get him in here. A lot of times they'll roll up in it like that. And they're gonna freak out. Oh man, that's a nice one. That is a nice one. Nice fish. On a 5-weight. You can do it. Just about everywhere out here has these things in it, man, and they will eat a fly, guys. You just gotta be patient. Awesome, man. Behind a spillway. What more could you ask for? This is awesome. Good time summer fun. Picked up a nice drum, guys. Oh yeah. God, he's black. Look at that. Come here, dude. Keep shutting off. Here he is. Man, look how dark that dude is. picked up a nice freshwater drum, guys. Freshwater cousin to the bull red and the black drum. This one's real dark. You can see right there. They're a very cool fish. Love it. Carp flies. Catch big bass, black drum, perch, bass, everything, man. Really cool.